Within 72 hours after Governor Okungbowa inaugurated the Okungbowa Committee to recover all missing government vehicles, the committee does recover a total of 25 vehicles. The chairman of the committee, Okungbowa, for in talk with Tori people, can't list the numbers and brand of motor where them don't recover and come here and say the work will still continue. He come here and say them get information, say them don't carry some of the vehicles come out for Edo State, but say with the help of security agencies, them go recover and back. Oga Kelly come advise people wey still hold government vehicles say the motors na for Edo people and not be personal property. He come talk say their mission na to make sure say them recover all vehicles wey them thief from government house. Kelly Okungbowa come stay here and say na through the help of people them don fit recover some and them still dey beg people wey get any information about how them fit recover more government vehicles to call them for this number 081 101 65121. Say them get ogbonge reward for anybody wey go give them correct information.
In total, we have 10 Ilos, we have 3 Ayaz buses, and 1 mover bus, 2 Pajero, 4 Prado Jeep, 1 Lexus Jeep, 1 GSC car, 1 Toyota Camry, and 1 other Lexus Jeep. In total, we'll be having 25 vehicles that we are recovering in space of 72 hours. We've told them time without number, it is better for them to return the vehicle by themselves because the vehicle belongs to the state government. It's our property as a citizen. Our duty is to make sure we recover the vehicle that was stolen from the government house. So we are still using this medium to advise them that they should return the vehicle back to government house. Anywhere they keep the vehicle, we'll go there and pick it up. We'll still give out our number. And the most important one, with the help of the whistleblower, they have been giving us good information. That's why you see this committee, we were able to recover these numbers of vehicles in barely 72 hours. And we have gotten different reports on social media, on print media, but we are not bothered. What we are after is for us to recover the vehicle that was stolen for governments. And that is the reason why we are at. And by the grace of God, we will succeed. We have gotten submitted that some of the vehicles have been taken to Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt, Abeokuta. By the grace of God, with the help of the security agencies, we will recover those vehicles. All the vehicles, we will get them by the grace of God. And it may interest you to know that the vehicle that was taken away from this government and in all the agencies is over 350 to 400. And by the grace of God, we will do our best to make sure we recover these vehicles. We have gotten a lot of information. Tomorrow we'll come out again, and by the grace of God, we'll recover more vehicles. To call is 081 101 65121. I repeat again, 081 101 65121. And when you give us a useful information, we'll reward you handsomely. We don't want to mention the amount, but a lot of people have enjoyed it. So please be a particle of it. God bless you.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojisale, TMC TV News.